sometimes small homes, feels more luxurious than most large houses? Today, I'm taking you inside a beautiful small space luxury home where every detail is intentional, every corner is elevated, and everything feels calm, refined, and effortlessly expensive. If you've ever wanted your home to feel like a boutique hotel, this is your inspiration. Let's step inside. Welcome to our small luxury home tour. This space proves that you don't need more square footage to create a home that feels high-end. You just need the right details, textures, and styling approach. As we walk through each area, I'll show you exactly what makes this home feel so elegant and how you can recreate it. As soon as you enter, you're greeted with a sense of calm. The entryway is minimal but incredibly refined. A slim console table anchors the space, styled with a soft ceramic vase, a neutral tray for essentials, one sculptural decor piece. Above it, a round mirror reflects light, instantly making the space feel larger and brighter. The color palette stays soft, warm whites, taupe, and subtle beige tones. The key here is simplicity. Nothing feels cluttered, and that's exactly what makes it feel luxurious. Moving into the living room, you immediately notice how inviting it feels. The foundation is a neutral sofa, timeless and versatile, but what elevates it is the layering. Linen and bouquet pillows, soft throw blanket, textured area rug. The coffee table is styled intentionally, not overcrowded. A stack of books, a candle, a small decorative object. Curtains are hung high and wide, drawing the eye upward and making the ceilings feel taller. This space feels expensive because everything works together. Nothing competes for attention. This kitchen may be small, but it feels incredibly polished. Countertops are kept clean with only a few curated items: a wooden cutting board, matching storage containers, a bowl of fresh fruit. Everything feels intentional. Right beside it, the dining nook creates a cozy, intimate moment. A small round table softens the layout, paired with upholstered chairs that add comfort and elegance. Above, a warm pendant light creates a soft glow, perfect for slow mornings or relaxed dinners. It's not about size, it's about how the space makes you feel. Now, let's talk about one of the most important elements in this home: lighting. Luxury spaces never rely on harsh overhead lighting. Instead, this home uses layers: table lamps, soft ambient lighting, warm-toned bulbs. Every light source creates a soft, inviting glow. In the evening, this completely transforms the atmosphere, making the space feel calm, cozy, and elevated. If you change one thing in your home, let it be this: switch to warm, layered lighting. It's the fastest way to create a luxury feel. The bedroom feels like a peaceful retreat. The bed must be layered with crisp, neutral bedding, soft linen textures, a cozy throw. An upholstered headboard adds warmth and depth. Nightstands are simple: a lamp, a book, one decor piece. Everything feels balanced and calming. The color palette remains soft and cohesive, helping the space feel restful. This is what makes a bedroom feel luxurious. It invites you to slow down. Open shelving can either look cluttered or incredibly refined. Here, it's done beautifully. The shelves are styled with neutral dishware, glass containers, a few decorative pieces. There's space between items, allowing each piece to stand out. The color palette stays consistent, creating that cohesive, curated look. The secret? Edit your shelves. Less truly is more. Step outside, and the luxury continues. Even in a small outdoor space, this area feels like a retreat. A compact seating setup is styled with neutral cushions, soft textures. Add in warm lighting like lanterns or string lights, greenery to bring life into the space. This becomes more than just a balcony. It's an extension of the home, a place to unwind, have coffee, or relax in the evening. This home proves something powerful. Luxury isn't about having more, it's about choosing better. It's in the textures, the lighting, the calmness, and the intention behind every detail. And when everything is thoughtfully designed, even the smallest space can feel truly extraordinary. Which area of this home inspired you the most? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know where you're starting your glow up. And if you want to recreate this exact look, I've linked all the pieces for you in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.